In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add market structure in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like, but I recommend starting with something you're familiar with, like a major forex pair, an index, or a popular crypto chart. Having a clean chart with minimal indicators will make it easier to see the market structure once we add it. Now, look toward the top of your TradingView interface for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the top of the screen, close to where you change the time frame or the chart type. Go ahead and click on Indicators. When you do this, a new window or panel will open, showing you a list of built-in indicators, community scripts, and your favorites. Inside this panel, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Next, type in market structure. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results in real time. You'll see different options appear below, including built-in tools and community-created scripts. Take a moment to look at the names and authors of the indicators that come up. You want to choose a market structure tool that clearly marks highs and lows or shows structural shifts, depending on your trading style. Once you find a market structure indicator that fits what you're looking for, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. After a brief moment, you should see new markings or lines appear directly on your price chart, highlighting swing highs, swing lows, or trend structure. If nothing shows up right away, zoom out a bit or move back in time to make sure you're seeing enough price action for the indicator to work with. From here, you can customize the indicator settings by hovering over its name at the top left of your chart and clicking the settings icon. Adjust colors, line thickness, or labels so they're easy on your eyes and match the rest of your chart style. A clear and consistent look will help you quickly read the market structure during live trading. And if you want to unlock more features and get the most out of these tools, check out the TradingView Pro link in the description, where you can sign up and access all the pro-level benefits while following along with this setup.